We're going to talk about model numbers on your Norelco or Phillips Norelco razor. When purchasing parts and selecting the correct parts, it's very important that you use the model number that's written on the shaver in order to identify the correct parts. On most Norelco models, the number is written on the back in very small writing. Now this one here, there's some writing right in this area. There's several things written, all of which are very small, and there's not a lot of contrast in the color, and they're not easy to read. You'll probably need some magnification, but you'll need to match your model number before selecting parts. I've got another one here that's a little bit easier to read. They actually put a contrasting color here. This one here, it's 7140 XL. Your numbers are going to be written in a format similar to that. Usually it'll be a 4-digit number followed by a couple of letters, sometimes 1 or 2 letters followed by 3 or 4 numbers, something like that. If your model number is not here, if you've searched it, you've looked at it with a magnifying glass and you don't find the number there, there's a couple other places to look. On some of the real old models, it could be written on the front here. There's a few models where it's written around this upper left gear on the housing inside. And there are also a few models where you flip up the trimmer on the back and you'll read some writing in here to get your model number.